In this video, I'm going to share some information about Royal Caribbean cabin categories and how well they will work with a scooter or wheelchair. Coming right up. This is cabin 1102. It's a non-accessible junior suite. And it's interesting that it has plenty of space. This cabin has about 277 square foot of space and about 50 square foot of balcony space. So the cabin was plenty large enough. Obviously, as you move up to a junior suite, you have more in the way of amenities. The challenge in this cabin for someone that had limited mobility is that it has a bathtub instead of a shower. So again, if you could get around without a wheelchair, or and you had enough mobility to step into the bathtub, it would work fine. But for a lot of people that do travel with scooters, that lip into the bathtub or the step up into the bathtub would be more than they could deal with. But it is a gorgeous cabin. There is an accessible version. It was just occupied, so we couldn't tour it. A ton of space on the balcony. Just overall a gorgeous cabin, just not a very accessible one. As we look around, you can see there's just so much space in this cabin. And my wife's getting ready to head out. Oh, one thing that I didn't mention, this cabin does have basically almost a walk-in closet, or maybe it isn't a walk-in closet, with lots of shelves and storage space. Again, a very nice cabin, beautiful. It's just not, that bathtub makes it a real challenge if you have some mobility issues. If you got value out of this video, do me two favors. Hit the subscribe button and the notify button. That'll let you know when I create my next video. And then hit the like button. That lets YouTube know the content was worthwhile. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.